Hi guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So this haul is from Create and Inkspire and I got 2 kits from there the other day. She was having a sale, buy one get one. Unfortunately the sale is over. It was like maybe not even 24-hour sale, but I got 2 amazing kits. She has kits left from I think each and every month. I believe she has kits left, which her kits are so amazing, packed with great stuff. So I'm going to show you the September and October kits that I got. But before I show you, I want to talk just real quick a little bit about Create and Inkspire. So it was created by Courtney Krieber and it is an amazing online publication. And it is a paid publication, so you do have to pay. There are memberships. You can do monthly memberships. You can do, I think they have 6, 12-month, maybe 3-month subscriptions. So go over to check it out. It's called createandinkspire.com. I'll have the link to it below in the more information section. I think you guys are going to love it. I don't think there's much content you can actually see when you're not a member. You can kind of play around with the site and see some of the things, I believe. I'm a member, so I don't know exactly what you can and can't see. I know that there's all the content on there that you can't see. But let me tell you, there are classes, contests every month, inspiration, there's blog posts, there's video posts, and the best part about it is it's all your peers. It's everyone from the community who puts projects in, and you can sign up and create projects for her. So she asks for content from all of us, which is so amazing because when you are a smaller channel or you're not as well known in the industry, let's face it, it's really, really hard to get your stuff out there. So I've done one video back in August, so that's up there if you guys are members and want to go check it out. Sorry, I have an itch. So if you guys want to go check it out, there's so much great inspiration, blog posts, videos. Courtney does several classes per month, so she teaches you how to do different things, how to use different supplies. Just absolutely amazing. So I can't say enough great things about it. But then if you're also a member, and you don't have to be a member to buy the kits, but what you do get is 10% off the kit. And I don't know if it's any of the price. I think it's just the kit, but I think she has different versions of the kit. I don't know, I always just buy the full kit, so I don't really know, but you get 10% off of that, so it's basically the same as you basically get the monthly subscription for free if you buy the kit. So I think it's absolutely fantastic. There's a wealth of knowledge over there, and like I said, you can talk to your peers, you can watch your peers' videos, and it's exclusive content. It is content that we're not allowed to put anywhere else, so awesome stuff. Let me get into this haul. I know that that was a little like PSA about Create and Inkspire, but I'll put the information down below in the more information section for you guys to check out because I think it's completely worth it. The other day, somebody had posted in one of the card making groups that another physical magazine went under and everyone was so upset about it, and it got me thinking, like, well, we have this great resource in Create and Inkspire. So I did post something about that over there. So if you're in the card making group, you may have seen it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that this Create and Inkspire is out there. Get the word out because it is so amazing. And it's all of us peers. It's not just Courtney's site. It's everybody's site. Okay, enough about that. Let me show you guys the kits because I am super amazed. So, oops, this one is still, I don't know which kit is which. So like I said, oh, I just had it upside down. Sometimes I have such blonde moments. You'd think I would be a natural blonde. No offense to blondes. Okay, so this is the October one, so you'll see September. I'm going in the wrong order, but okay. So this one has 2 pieces of Neener Solar White 80-pound Classic Crest cardstock, 1 piece of 80-pound craft cardstock, 1 piece of Ink and Dinkadoo masking paper, 4 pieces of bronze foiled cardstock by Kaisercraft, 4 pieces of 6x6 Autumn Maple Pearlescent cardstock by Tonic Studios, metallic rub-on palette paint, which I'm super excited about. I've never seen this before, and I watched Courtney's video. I'm so excited to use that. Thankful 6x8 stamp set, falling leaves layering stencil, and it's a 2-piece set, which if you guys know me, I love, love, love layering stamp sets, or stamp sets, and stencils. Okay, so sweet treat for this month is fruit snacks. Fruit snacks were first developed in the 1970s and were used by backpackers and hikers as a high energy snack, but not necessarily a healthy one. So one of the girls will get these because gummy things actually make me nauseous, which is a random fact about me that you really didn't need to know, but now you know. Okay, so cutely packed. It comes in the blue, let me see if I can show you guys. Comes in the blue tissue paper with her little logo on it. Oh my gosh. These are what I'm super, super excited. This is the Luster, what the heck do they call them? Metallic Rub-On Paint Palette. So I'm going to have to figure out how to use these because I really don't know. I remember her doing them, but I have to go back and review it. So I'll probably do a video on that. Okay, these awesome stencils. I love layering stencils. So they have the leaf patterns in them, so you can create the texture of them. So you could just do the outline or you can do the texture of it. And I think the texture, just doing like on the background, I think the texture one would just look really cool doing just a background piece on that. Okay, and this is a huge stamp set, huge. With the cornucopia and the fruit. This would be really pretty. Oh my goodness. And then it's thanks, happy Thanksgiving, thanks for your friendship, for being you, for everything you do. So this is not just a Thanksgiving stamp set. You can use this at all times. You can use the fruit all the time. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty this is. And then the back looks like, oh, and then the backs are different colors. Oh wait, oh, these are all different colors. Oh geez, I thought they were all the same. Oh wow, look at how gorgeous. These are such beautiful fall colors. Oh my goodness, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, some mirrored cardstock. Oh, pretty. Oh, actually, there's 4 different versions of that. Here is the masking paper. And then the Nina and the Craft cardstock. Awesome. Can't wait to get started on this. I'm going to put this back. I don't want to ruin any of the paper. I'm going to just put this down here and I'll put it back in the box at another time because I'm afraid I'm going to smush something. And I got my little shipping notice. And then this is the September card kit. And then you get 2 pieces of Nina Solar White 80-pound classic crest cardstock, 2 pieces of black cardstock, 1 piece of vellum, embellishment mix by Trinity, which I love their embellishments. I have the one from the other kit and I do love it. Easy Lights by Pear Blossom Press, which Amanda, I am so excited to try these out. Amanda is from Pear Blossom Press. And I am so excited. I've seen everyone use these easy lights and I've been so intimidated by them, but when Courtney did her project I was like, oh, they look easy. So let's see. I'll see how I can do with them. I'm sure they're super easy and if I screw up, it is 100% user error. 3D foam squares by Scrapbook Adhesives, 2 A2 pieces of spiderweb, words are hard today, spiderweb pattern paper, a Haunted 4x6 stamp set, and Haunted Greetings 3x4 stamp set. Okay, and the sweet treats are gummy bears, which is another gummy thing. So the girls will definitely make out in this. Gummy bears were invented in 1922 and were delivered to customers by bicycle. The green gummy bears are actually strawberry flavored. I did not know that. Very interesting. You get fun facts with these too. So those will go to the girls, which they will love because they love anything, any kind of treats they'll eat. Okay, so here are the 2 stamp sets. I love these. Okay, and then here are the greetings. So it says, trick or treat, boo, have a spooktacular day, have a witching good Halloween, and happy Halloween. And then here are the 3D foam squares, which will go right into my, I have a little bin over here that has my adhesives in it. And guys, guess what? I'm super excited. while I'm in the process of this video, I will be doing some small craft room tours after this weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to spend all day labeling, but back here is a new storage system, so I will be labeling that, and I'll probably be doing that as well as the bookcase. The bookcase is completely different, so I'll be doing a video on that too. So just PSA, I don't know what made me think of that. Okay. Easy lights for use in light up cards and scrapbook pages. Oh my goodness. So cool. I'm so excited. So this is one set of lights. Goodness, I can't wait. Okay, so you have a piece of black cardstock with white webs. Oh, I like this one. And white with black webs. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. These are from Trinity. Oh my goodness. Bats and pumpkins and spiders, and there's a thing that says Happy Halloween, pumpkins, more, and then just little gems. Oh, so cute. That is going right into my embellishment drawer, which is right next to me. And then let's look at the paper. Okay, so here is the vellum, very pretty. The Nina, and then the black cardstock. This is really heavy, actually. Does it say what weight this was? This was actually the black, 2 pieces of black cardstock. That's really nice cardstock. It's really nice and thick. So that is everything that comes in the other kit. These are so great. I hope that you guys will go over and check out Create and Inkspire. Like I said, all of the information is listed below in the more information section for the website, and there's a Facebook group called Handmade Happiness where a lot of us, you don't have to be a member of Create and Inkspire to be part of Handmade Happiness, but that's where a lot of us do reside. We do have conversations over there. There's a lot of information on there. Members do get some special perks for Create and Inkspire. Courtney surprises us, I think, every single month with something new. This month she just announced something, I believe in the Handmade Happiness group for November. So there's always lots of great surprises. So it does really pay to be a member. It's so nice to be part of a community. It really is not that expensive per month. It's only a couple dollars, and then if you buy the kit, you basically get, you know, your membership for free. So you're only paying, I think it's like 20 cents for the entire month. So it's completely worth it. I think that it's a great source of inspiration, and if you are looking for, if you ever get stuck, you can always go back, and there's always all kinds of techniques. There's basic techniques, there's stepped up techniques. She's done a couple of classes where she's done the same kind of like the technique, and then it's stepped up each time, so that, you know, for beginners, and so it's good for everybody. It's not just good for beginners or just advanced card makers. It's for every single skill level. You'll find something really, really great over there. So I hope you guys go and check it out and support her, because she is an amazingly supportive human being for all of us in the crafting industry. So I can't say enough great things about Courtney, but I hope you guys go over and check it out. Again, for like the 50th time I've said it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be back tomorrow. I will have is my last solo Till Death Do Us Craft Halloween post, which is crazy because it's almost Halloween. So since Halloween is a Saturday, I have one less day. So the last project will be on the 31st, official Halloween one. I'll do a couple more Halloween ones this week, I think, but the last official one for that Halloween series will be of mine. Will be tomorrow, and then the 31st will be everybody will be posting. So you'll have a lot of great stuff on actual Halloween. And the Christmas series will continue. I did not get my Christmas card done for this Friday, so I'll have probably 2 or 3 cards next week. I have a lot of stuff. So there's going to be a lot of projects coming on the YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys stick around and watch, and I will see you guys again real soon for the next video. Bye!